Hey guys, welcome back. Josh from Speedy Towbars here. Today I'm going to take you through the Elecbrakes EB2 brake controller, which is the most versatile and easy to install brake controller on the market. This product can be installed a variety of different ways. We're going to take you through some of those now. The most popular install of your Elecbrakes controller is mounted using the supplied screws to the A-frame of your trailer, which then connects to your trailer wiring using either a leader into your 7-pin trailer connector or the pre-wired adapters that will plug directly into your brake controller and into your vehicle and trailer wiring. One of the reasons our customers love this product is there's a variety of adapters to suit all your vehicles. The installation process is as simple as plugging the adapter into your vehicle's existing plug, connecting to the brake unit, and securing this brake unit to your vehicle, whether that's on the tow bar or inside your vehicle. One of the main reasons we love this product is the installation is effortless. It's a one-time investment for your brake controller that you can move from vehicle to vehicle or trailer to trailer as you upgrade. Being a Bluetooth brake controller means that you can control the output of your brake unit via a smartphone app or by purchasing an extra Bluetooth remote. Once you've downloaded the Elecbrakes app, simply tap your smartphone to the controller and it will automatically connect. Another reason why we like this product is using the smartphone app or the Bluetooth remote means you have to do no internal modification to your vehicle. If you're going to choose to use the Elecbrakes remote, you first need to download the smartphone app, connect it to your brake controller, and in the settings, tick Allow Elecbrakes Remote, which will now allow your device to connect. When using your Android or Apple device, this is the screen you will see, allowing you to use your manual override in emergency situations. By swiping to the left, you have preset programs. By swiping to the right, you can increase your braking response in minimum and maximum variations. A key and really awesome feature of the Elecbrakes unit is its Apple Carplay and Android Auto functionality, meaning you don't have to use a remote or your smartphone. You can simply have the Elecbrakes settings on your car's infotainment system, allowing you to decrease and increase your response, select your programs, and use a manual override in emergency situations. The Elecbrakes controller really is one of the easiest and most versatile units on the market. If you have further questions about this product, please don't hesitate to reach out to one of our friendly team.